In this video, I'll guide you through how to find source and medium in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to see which channels are driving traffic to your site and how to view that data using the session source and medium dimension. First, make sure you're logged into the Google account that has access to your analytics property. Once you're ready, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. This will take you to the main Google Analytics home screen. If you have access to multiple properties, double check that you've selected the correct account and property from the drop down at the top of the page so you're looking at the right data. Next, we're going to move into the reports area because that's where GA4 keeps most of your standard traffic and engagement information. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the main navigation menu. Click on Reports. This will open the reporting workspace where you'll see different sections for understanding your users, their behavior, and how they arrive on your site or app. Within the reports section, you'll see a group called Lifecycle in the left panel. This area focuses on how users move through the journey with your business from acquisition all the way through engagement and retention. Under Lifecycle, find and click on Acquisition. The acquisition reports are specifically designed to answer questions about where your users are coming from, which is exactly what we need for source and medium. Once you're in the acquisition section, you'll see a few different report options. Click on Traffic Acquisition. This report is centered around how sessions are started and which channels are responsible for bringing users in. It's one of the most useful views when you're analyzing marketing performance across things like search, social, email, and more. After the traffic acquisition report loads, scroll down to the main data table. This is where all of your traffic information is displayed in rows and columns. At the top of this table, you'll notice a row of column headers. Just above those column headings, usually near the top left of the table, there's a small plus icon. This icon lets you add a secondary dimension to your report. Scroll down until you see that small plus symbol and click on it. When you click the plus icon, a menu will open with a list of categories you can use to break down your data further. From this menu, look for the category called Traffic Source. This category groups dimensions that describe how users found your site, including campaign, source, medium, and other related options. Go ahead and click on Traffic Source to expand it. Inside the Traffic Source options, you'll see several possible dimensions. The one we want for this walkthrough is Session Source Medium. Click on Session Source Medium. Once you select it, the report table will refresh and a new column will appear showing the session source and medium for your traffic. This will look something like Google Push Organic, Direct None, or the names of your campaigns and channels, depending on how your tracking is set up. Now you're viewing your traffic acquisition report broken down by session, source, and medium, which gives you a clear picture of exactly how people are arriving at your site or app. You can use the date range selector at the top right to adjust the time period, apply filters if you want to narrow down to specific campaigns or countries, or export the data if you need to share it with your team. That's all you need to do to find source and medium in Google Analytics 4. Open the report section, go to Lifecycle, choose Acquisition, open the Traffic Acquisition report, and add the Session Source Medium dimension from the Traffic Source menu.